Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to import Coinomi to Metamask. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to import Coinomi to Metamask, you'll need to first download the Metamask app on your mobile device and also make sure that you have opened up the Coinomi wallet. Once you're inside your Coinomi wallet main homepage, go and tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left, tap the default wallet option at the top, and tap Manage Wallets option at the bottom. Tap on the three dots right next to your wallet that you'd like to import to MetaMask. You'll first need your recovery phrase or your seed words in order to import your wallet to MetaMask. So if you've not backed up your recovery phrases yet, tap on Recovery Phrase button, tap on I understand the risk, and now type in your wallet password in the pop-up. Soon after you type in the correct wallet password, tap the Unlock button to reveal your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase will be displayed on the screen along with the QR code. Make sure that you write down these recovery phrases in a piece of paper and store it somewhere safe where no one will be able to get access to them. If anyone gets hold of your password, you might lose your funds. So once you've backed up your phrases, go back and now open up your MetaMask wallet app. Soon after you open up your application, this will be the first interface. Tap on Import using Secret Recovery Phrase option, and in the Secret Recovery Phrase box, type in the recovery phrases that you recently backed up from Coinomi. Make sure to type in your secret recovery phrases in the correct order, separated by space. Once you've typed in your Coinomi wallet's recovery phrase, go to the New Password text box and create a password for MetaMask wallet in this particular device. Remember that the password only works in the device that you are using right now. After typing in the password, go to the next field and confirm your password by retyping it again. Finally, tap Import and you have successfully imported your Coinomi wallet to MetaMask. Tap Done in order to view the main wallet interface. That is how you can easily import Coinomi to MetaMask. Now you can import your tokens that you'd like to add. I hope the tutorial helped you in learning how to import your Coinomi wallet to MetaMask. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.